Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where we explore fascinating stories behind rare and unique books. Today I have something truly special, a gift that I'm thrilled to unbox with you. Any guesses? Here it is. Make Something Wonderful, Steve Jobs in his own words, directly from the Apple archives. This is a book that celebrates the life and ideas of one of the most influential minds of our time. It's beautifully crafted, and the cover design alone tells a story. Let's take a closer look. The book captures Steve Jobs' vision, philosophy, and personal reflections in a way that's both inspiring and deeply personal. It's a treasure trove for anyone interested in innovation, design, and creativity. But here's the big question. Why is this book being sold for so much money? Currently, some sellers are listing this book for over £3,500. So, what makes it so valuable? Well, part of it lies in its rarity and the connection it offers to one of the greatest innovators of our time. It's not just a book, it's a piece of history, a collector's item, and a tribute to a legacy that continues to shape our world. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you invest in a book like this? Or do you think the price is just too high? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time as we uncover more stories hidden within the pages of remarkable books.